So we're gonna be like doing a collaboration. Oh my gosh, we're doing a collaboration. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Right now I am just setting up to make this chickpea salad recipe. And like I said before, this is a collaboration with my friend ASANTEWA'S because I am helping her with her music account on Instagram. So you should definitely go check that out. And she also helped me film this video, so shout out to you, ASANTEWA'S. So I'm just starting off by peeling the plastic on the cucumber and then rinsing it by the sink. Then I'm taking 3 cups of cooked chickpeas, putting them into a larger bowl, and then chopping up the cucumber and 2 tomatoes. Notice how I am not using the full cucumber, but I don't think it's a big deal if you do. Now for the ingredients for the dressing that we're putting on top of the chickpea salad. You're going to need half a cup of lemon, the juice obviously, half a cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of honey, and salt and pepper. I did not have Dijon mustard, but I just used regular mustard and it worked out pretty okay. So add in all these ingredients together in a bowl and then mix well. Then add this dressing to the chickpea, cucumber, and tomatoes in the larger bowl and mix together. Now I forgot to add the salt and pepper into the salad dressing, but I did add it in at the end. Shout out to this girl for helping me record though. Okay, bye. We're gonna taste test now. Let's taste test. Okay, let's just hold up this. So, let's just take a spoon. Okay. Okay. Okay, go. Really? Okay. I'm gonna try this real quick. I'm just eating now. Okay, bye. Bye.